Hello guys, and welcome back to Halo. Today I'm giving you a comprehensive video tutorial on Workflowy, the versatile note-taking app designed to simplify your life. I'm excited to guide you through its features and functionalities. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. And now, let's get started. 1. Overview of Workflowy. Workflowy is a minimalistic and straightforward app for noting down ideas, creating to-do lists, organizing your life. Unlike traditional note-taking apps, Workflowy offers a unique approach with an infinite page structure, allowing you to organize your thoughts without the limitations of pages. This video will help you identify whether this note-taking app is like everything else there, and if this tool is worth your attention and when. Imagine a situation where you are writing a book, and suddenly, out of nowhere, you get a revolutionary idea. At that exact moment, you get a call from your boss, an emergency meeting. What do? Do you let this idea go, or your job? If you are anything like me, then you would have opened your note-taking app, navigated through menus to make a new note, and written it down. It might seem like I am exaggerating, but that's what happens most of the time. It happens to me, and it happens probably to you too. If your life has been like that for a long time, then Workflowy is for you. This video will cover everything from what Workflowy is, how good this actually is, how it fares up against the competition, and so much more. In the end, you'll have a clear idea whether Workflowy is for you or not. Workflowy takes bullet journaling and other kinds of list making digital in a web and mobile app that's fluid, responsive, and simple. You can use Workflowy not to only make lists, but also to share them, whether it's a grocery shopping list for everyone in the household or a task list for a colleague. While Workflowy includes some features for sharing and collaborating, it comes up short compared with the other best to-do apps, notably Asana and Todoist, which are PC Mag editors' choices. Before we delve into this tutorial, I am going to show you the pricing and plans of Workflowy. Although it has a price, but Workflowy also has a free version of the tool that comes with several limitations, such as only being allowed to put 250 new items in your lists each month. Every month, you are granted another 250 new items to add. With Workflowy Free, you also can customize some of the settings, such as the font used for your lists and the background theme. A paid version of the app, called Workflowy Pro, removes these limitations. It costs $499 per month or $49 per year. Workflowy Pro members can create as many list items as they want, and they have an option to connect to a Dropbox account or to back up their content. They also get the option to protect any lists they share, whereas free users can only share a list by giving their collaborators and their workers an unsecured link. Pro account holders also get premium support. Among collaborative to-do list apps, Workflowy's $49 per year price is rather high. By comparison, Todoist Premium is only $5 per month for individuals, costs only $28 per year. Remember, the Milk, another collaborative to-do app, charges $39.99 per year, which is still less than Workflowy Pro. Any to-do cost $26.88 per year for a premium subscription. If you compare the monthly price of Workflowy Pro directly to Asana's price, Asana costs more than twice as much, $119 per version or per person in year. But that's not fair comparison, as Asana Premium includes a lot of business-focused features that Workflowy doesn't have at all. What's more, the free version of Asana lets you add an unlimited number of lists and items, and you can have up to 15 collaborators working in a password-protected space. So the free Asana account offers a substantial experience for individuals using the app for personal reasons, and businesses that pay what seems to be a high price actually get a lot more from the service than they would get from Workflowy. 2. Sign up and onboard it. Signing up for Workflowy is a breeze. Simply provide your email and name, and you're ready to go. The app enhances security by sending a one-time code to your email or login. Once in, you're greeted with a pre-prepared note explaining how Workflowy works, ensuring a smooth onboarding process. The first step is to enter your email and then press Get Started. And once another prompt will show you that they sent you an email with the code you need to write in here. Just write the code and click Get Started. This is just as simple as signing up for every site. The workflow signing up process is so simple as a breeze. And as I said above, there are two types of Workflowy accounts. Free accounts are limited to 500 items per month, with a basic black text on white ground, theme, and 2 fonts to choose from. With free accounts, you can use a referral link to get a new user to sign up for a Workflowy account. For each new user that signs up through your referral link, both you and the new user will get an additional 250 items to use per month. You can click on the referral link and sign up. If you do, each of us will receive an extra 250 items per month. And now the Pro account. You can upgrade to Pro account for $499 per month or $45 or $49 per year. Pro accounts offer some great extra features include unlimited lists. You can create as many lists and items as you want, no limit. Backup to Dropbox. You can back up your Workflowy account to Dropbox so you never have to worry about losing any of the data stored in your Workflowy account. Password protected collaboration. As a Pro user, you can share any part of your Workflowy account with specific people, verified by email address and password. Theme and fonts. As a Pro user, you can change the look or feel of Workflowy with a library of themes and fonts to make it more personal. Currently, there are an additional 6 themes and 4 fonts to choose from. Workflowy is a top-notch productivity app. The combination of initiative design with killer features makes Workflowy easy to use and powerful enough to organize anything. Workflowy offers accessibility across a range of devices, ensuring that users can seamlessly access their information. The platform is available as an online web app that can be accessed from any device with internet connection. Additionally, offline apps are available for various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. This multi-device compatibility enhances the flexibility and convenience of using Workflowy. The user interface of Workflowy is designed to be clean and distraction-free. When you open the app, you are presented with a simple and uncluttered canvas. The design choice aims to provide a focused environment for users to jot down ideas, create to-do lists, and organize their thoughts without unnecessary distractions. For users who prefer more personalized experience, Workflowy offers customizations and options for the user interface. You can tailor the look of the app to suit your preferences, including choosing between different themes, light and dark. Furthermore, users can customize aspects such as font styles and colors according to their liking. This level of customization allows individuals to create an environment that aligns with their aesthetic preferences and enhances the overall user experience. Get out the artist you have inside with Workflowy, as the design is very helpful and easy to use. Workflow provides users with two distinct views to cater the different preferences and organizational styles. The traditional bullet view and the Kanban board view offer users flexibility in choosing the format that best suits their needs. The bullet view tasks are represented as a list of bullets, offering a linear and hierarchical structure. Each task appears as a bullet point, and users can expand these tasks to reveal subtasks. This linear format is conducive to those who prefer straightforward list-based organization. Kanban board views for users who are more inclined towards visual organization. Workflowy offers a Kanban board view. In this mode, tasks are presented in a Kanban format, allowing users to view and manage tasks in columns. This visual representation is helpful for those who prefer a more dynamic and board-based approach to task management. Now, we're going to delve into the major features that makes this note-taking app stand out, from global search and tagging to live copies and sharing. Workflowy is packed with tools designed to elevate your productivity. Follow along as I guide you through each feature, demonstrating how they can seamlessly enhance your note-taking experience. 1. Global Search. Workflow's Global Search is a powerful tool to navigate through your extensive notes. Let's explore how this feature is efficient. Whether you're looking for specific words, tags, or even dates, the Global Search ensures you can locate information swiftly. I'll demonstrate the various search options and how to make the most of this indispensable feature. 2. Tagging for organization. Tags are a game changer when it comes to organizing your notes. In this section, I'll show you how to implement tagging in Workflowy, from creating tags to customizing their colors. You'll learn how to enhance organization and searchability of your content. 3. Live copies or mirroring. Discover the magic of live copies in Workflowy. Unlike traditional copy and paste methods, live copies or mirroring allows you to synchronize changes across multiple instances for a text. 4. Sharing and collaboration. Collaboration is seamless with Workflow's sharing options, whether it's creating a link for specific parts of your notes or inviting others to edit or view your content. Workflowy facilitates its easy collaboration. I'll showcase the different sharing modes and provide tips on making the most of this collaborative aspect. Key features of the Workflowy app. The designers of Workflowy have struck a fantastic balance between form and function. Workflowy has a minimalistic layout which prevents you from being distracted while working. However, within that layout are some of the most powerful yet easy to use features to make your work as productive as possible. In Workflowy, each line you create is called an item, and each item can be treated as a separate list/document with sub-items and sub-items, etc., all nested in an outline format. The great part is that each item can be moved or rearranged in any order, and all of the nested items under that item move with it. How many nested items can you have in Workflowy? Using Workflowy as a task manager or to-do list is super easy with the complete button, which changes the font color to gray and puts a strike-through line the text in completed item. In your settings, you also have the option to either show or hide completed items. Moving around in Workflowy is really easy, with several different options to choose from. Each item has a bullet at the beginning of the line, and by clicking on that bullet, you can zoom in to view just that item along with any nested items underneath. The rest of the items above it are listed in a breadcrumb fashion along the top of the page. You can click on any of the items listed in the breadcrumb trail at the top of the page to jump to that item. Each time you click on an item's bullet, that action brings you to the page for that item. This allows you to work on that item without having to scroll through the longer list of your items. This also brings up another cool feature, starred pages, which is a page acts as a bookmark. You can star any items page at any level, even nested items in the same list. There is a star next to the search box at the top of the page, and when you click the star, it brings up a list of all of your starred pages. Just click on any of your starred pages to go directly to that page. This makes it super easy to move around Workflowy to the pages you use the most. The search inside Workflowy is spot on. Just start typing in the search box and the search results will start filling in based on just a few letters. Similar to an autocomplete, and the search results will refine as you keep typing. The only thing you need to be aware of is the search results only items that are in the current item you are in. So, to search all of your items, you need to return to your home page before searching. For more advanced searching and data management, you can use both hashtag and tags in Workflowy to tag each item with two different unique tags. For example, you can use the hashtag to tag information and the to tag the names of people or projects associated with the information. Once you start using tags, just search or click on any of the tags to filter your items down to those with the tag you clicked. Workflowy makes sharing and collaborating a breeze too. You can share any items with others in either view only or edit mode by sending a unique URL for just that item. The items nested items under the shared item are included in the Workflowy items, but the person will not have the access to any of the other Workflowy items. Paid Pro users can also include a password for added security when sharing. You can also organize topics, sections, or list types by color to make it easy to scan for what you need. Tasks can be one color, ideas another, and facts a third, or color code by subject, importance, or urgency. Notes apps traditionally organize stuff in folders. Some new apps instead use backlinks. Instead of putting stuff into specific folders, you just tag stuff and all references to that book, person, or wherever else are auto-collected onto a special page for that entity. That's useful for seeing every reference to a particular person or book or place without having to manually put those things somewhere. Backlinking is a core feature of popular new note-taking platforms like Obsidian, Roam, and Mem. Given that more than 3 million people use Workflowy, you can benefit from their experience with a library of Workflowy templates. It's new this year. it's tiny and primitive compared to the vast collection of Miro templates or free collections of Notion templates, Trello, Coda, and Airtable templates, but it's still handy as a starting point. Workflowy provides community support for free users and premium support for paid subscribers. Additionally, I'll introduce you to some alternatives like Todoist, ClickUp, OneNote, helping you make an informed choice based on your preferences. As a wrap-up, you've gained a comprehensive understanding of Workflowy, from its unique structure to its powerful features. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone looking to streamline your note-taking, Workflowy offers a simple yet effective solution. If you find this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with the others. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.